Hey everyone, welcome back to Car Culture State. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a car that's not just a machine, but a revival of legacy. The 2025 Ambassador Magnum is here, and yes, it's making waves. For those who grew up seeing Ambassadors on Indian roads, this is going to hit you right in the nostalgia. But make no mistake, this isn't just a retro throwback. It's a modern beast with a classic soul. Let's get right into it. The first thing that catches your eye is the styling. This isn't the old boxy Ambassador from the 80s or 90s. The Magnum carries the DNA forward, but it's been completely reimagined for 2025. The front grille is massive, framed with sleek LED headlights that give it a bold and aggressive look. There's a subtle nod to the original shape, especially in the wide, upright stance and the curved fenders. But the clean lines, muscular proportions, and premium detailing tell you that this is a different animal altogether. Under the hood, the 2025 Magnum brings some serious firepower. It's powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged petrol engine, tuned for both performance and efficiency. The base variant makes around 200 horsepower, but there's a more aggressive 250 horsepower version too. Both are mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission, and there's even talk of a hybrid option coming soon. 0 to 60 comes up in under 7 seconds in the top-spec variant, which is impressive for a car this size. And with rear-wheel drive as standard, it's no surprise the Magnum handles like a dream. Step inside, and it's clear that the new Ambassador isn't just about performance or looks. It's about comfort, luxury, and a little bit of old-school charm. The cabin is wrapped in soft-touch materials, with brushed aluminum accents and ambient lighting that gives it a premium feel. There's a large 12.3-inch infotainment screen with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and a fully digital driver display that changes themes based on your drive mode. But what really sells the interior is the space. This is a car made to be driven and to be chauffeured in. The rear seats are plush, with reclining functions, seat ventilation, and even a massage feature in the top-end model. There's plenty of legroom, and with acoustic glass and extra sound insulation, the cabin stays whisper quiet even at highway speeds. It's a perfect blend of old-world comfort and modern tech. Now, let's talk about the drive. The suspension has been tuned specifically for Indian roads. That means potholes, speed breakers, and rough patches are soaked up without drama. The steering is light at low speeds, perfect for city driving, but tightens up nicely on the highway, giving you confidence behind the wheel. The car feels planted at high speeds, and body roll is minimal for something this spacious. It's not a corner carver, but it wasn't built to be. It was built to glide, and it does that very well. When it comes to features, the Magnum is packed. There's adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, a 360-degree camera, and even a panoramic sunroof. The top variant also gets ventilated front seats, a premium 14-speaker sound system by Harman, and wireless charging pads for both front and rear passengers. It's got everything you'd expect from a premium sedan in 2025. Now, of course, no car is perfect. The base variant skips out on some of the high-end features, and the price is on the higher side compared to other sedans in the segment. But what you're getting here isn't just a car, it's a piece of heritage, redefined for the future. And that does come at a premium. So who's this car really for? If you're someone who grew up with Ambassadors and you want to relive that experience, but with all the modern comforts, this is the car for you. If you're looking for a luxury sedan that stands out in a sea of predictable designs, the Magnum will turn heads. And if you just want a comfortable, refined cruiser with loads of presence, this checks all the boxes. Car Culture State isn't about just reviewing cars. We talk about how cars feel, what they mean, and where they belong in the culture. The Ambassador Magnum isn't just a return of a badge. It's a symbol of confidence. It's India saying, we remember where we came from, but we're not afraid to evolve. And that's what makes this car special. So, what do you think about the 2025 Ambassador Magnum? Would you pick it over a Camry or a Skoda Superb? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to Car Culture State for more deep dives into cars that matter. Until next time, keep your engines running and your passion alive. See you on the next one.